Mount Allison University admission requirement and scholarships for international students. This video basically talks about Mount Allison University, its study programs, scholarship opportunities, as well as admission requirements needed to be admitted into the university. The school has certain admission requirements which you would want to take note of before the end of this video. Welcome back to our channel. Work-Study Visa provides 100% free up-to-date guides to help foreigners like yourself visit, study in, work in Canada or immigrate permanently. Canada is currently the welcoming country in the world and we're excited to assist you come here. If this is your first time visiting, please consider subscribing to our channel. That way you get first-hand information at no cost. Wouldn't you rather subscribe with us to gain free guides than fall prey to online visa and immigration scammers? Simply hit the subscribe button, share the video and smash the thumbs up to help promote our work. One more thing, we know you may have a question or two regarding this video or any other process of studying, working or immigrating to Canada. Please use the comment box to ask your question and our staff will respond. Now, let's get back to the topic of the day. Mount Allison University is a liberal arts institution in Canada founded in the city of Sackville, New Brunswick in the year 1839. Mount Allison University offers a wide range of courses across many programs for both local and international students. It has also continuously ranked as the best undergraduate university in the whole of Canada for the past 30 years. The institution has well-equipped facilities with knowledgeable professors who are willing to guide students through their period of study in the university. Programs at Mount Allison University. Students at Mount Allison have the opportunity to study from any of their 5 undergraduate degrees, certificate courses, and a graduate degree across 40 programs. The good thing about the university is that it offers the students flexibility in their studies. The students also have the privilege of creating their own degrees with interdisciplinary opportunities given to them by the university. There are about 2,100 students at Mount Allison University studying a wide range of different degree programs. Mount Allison University Scholarship for International Students. The Mount Allison University Scholarships for International Students is currently ongoing for all international students in Mount Allison University. Students from all over the world including the United States, India, Nigeria, Ghana and Pakistan can apply for any international scholarship at Mount Allison University. Any student that wants to apply for scholarships must know that scholarships at Mount Allison are given to students according to academic achievement, extracurricular involvement, leadership experience, community service, and work experience at the university. Here is a list of available scholarships at the university. 1. Aubrey and Nancy M. Cameron Scholarship. 2. International Award. 3. J.E.A. Craik Scholarship. 4. Residence Award. 5. Top Student Scholar Award. Admission requirements for international students at the Mount Allison University. Mount Allison University uses a wholesome method for determining the students it admits, whether local or international. The university admits students based on their academic performance proven through previous academic records, leadership skills, and a commitment to personal growth. Admission requirements vary based on program type, the level of education completed, and the country students reside. International students in Mount Allison University include full-time, visiting, and exchange students. For you to be considered for admission at Mount Allison University for undergraduate studies as an international student, there are 5 university preparatory courses are required. This must include a subject in language arts. If you are applying to study for a Bachelor of Science program, you must also include university preparatory mathematics. Mount Allison University demands a minimum grade of 65% in all university preparatory courses to consider any student for admission. Grade 11 students may also be considered for admission if they are able to meet up with a final admissions average of at least 80%. This process is referred to as early admission in the school. Your institution must forward your transcripts to Mount Allison's registrar's office for them to be recognized. You are not allowed to submit your transcripts yourself. If your results are not provided in the English language, a notarized translation of the results in the English language should be provided. This will also apply to other required documents that are not available in the English language.